In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons on this device. First of all, you need to pinch your device's display. Then click on this gear icon at the bottom right corner. Now click on More. Tap on icon size and swipe left or right in order to adjust them. When you finished, tap on Home button and click on this check mark at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!